Hey guys, what's up? It's LiftyMan190 here coming at you with a review of my latest model. Obviously you can tell it's a Delta DC-9 in the Widget livery. I've been looking for a Widget airplane for quite some time, and this was just the one, I guess. Wasn't as expensive as some of the other airplanes out there, like a Mad Dog, a real, not a real Mad Dog, but like an 88 or a 90, or like an L1011 or a 762, even the 763 that they made, Gemini did. Nowhere near as expensive as those guys are now, so luckily it wasn't too bad, but still pretty darn expensive. No box. It came with a box, but we're not gonna really look at it. It's just the Gemini200 box, and it's a 2010 release for anyone that's curious. Alright, so here we have the cockpit windows and your L1 door, Delta, and a widget. That's going to be quite the theme, as this is the widget livery. Delta titles, American flag, emergency exits, and the arrows pointing to the back of the wing. Not too bad. I mean, it's 2010, so it's somewhat old, but not. Oh, that was a nice voice crack. Somewhat of an old model, but not too bad. Obviously, you can see here our registration is November 12905 Lima, and then on the engine here we have the Delta and a widget again. Then, of course, I think this is, I'm not sure if I like the titles along these titles or if I like the tail better, but I like them both a lot. Obviously the Delta, the widget, come around and look at the other side now. Not much else to say, basically the same thing. Same stuff as on the other side, just on the other side. We'll take a look at the bottom of the airplane though. It's kind of a silver color, as you can see. Got your nose gear up there, and then we have your cargo door there, a couple antennas on the bottom here, stand hole and the Gemini logo, main gear, gear doors, and then we have our beacon on the underside, another bag door, and then here we have your fairly classic, famous, whatever you want to call it, Mad Dog / DC-9 exit stairs at the back. Alright, so now we'll bring another model in here just for cool looks. I think these two models look really good together, even though they're not the same livery. It's just kind of a transition, and it's like the same airplane basically, just we got the 32 that's shorter, the 50 that's a stretch model. It'd be cool to maybe get a 40, but I'm not so sure. I don't think the 40 ever wore this livery. I don't think it did. So maybe if I could find a Northwest DC-940, that'd be pretty cool. Probably in the silver. Yeah, the silver one would be kind of cool. But I mean, not the end of the world if I can't, because it's not really actually a Delta. So yeah, maybe I'll find that. Maybe I won't. I got a lot of models that I really want, so that may not actually happen. Alright, I'm gonna make this one short just because a lot of my videos seem to go relatively long for a model review. So with that said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.